What's up? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1969 Roadrunner. This one here's got a 446 pack under the hood. Nice, clean sounding motor. I do these test drives to point out any kind of flaws that I could find before you get here. We sell cars all over the nation. Go to maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Close to 100 detailed pictures. All of our inventory is updated every week. Pretty much every Monday we update. And we make videos throughout the week. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like the music, hit that subscribe button in the top right hand corner. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Kind of look around the interior before we take off. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? I hope so. Coat across the dash. It's in great shape. It's showing 89,000 miles. Yeah, I can't stand behind that. It's a 69 model. Go ahead and start her up here. She starts up nice and easy. If you've seen in the walk around video, it had a little bit of a tick because of the fan was hitting the shroud. I went ahead and fixed that. It's not doing that no more. Oil pressure's up, water temperature's up. Got your battery meter there. Little dome light on the inside here. My buddy on the dash. Wipers work. But you gotta play that game because you can stop them anywhere. And horn, you ready? It's a good one. By far my favorite horn. All right, guys. Let's take off. All right, we're getting ready to pull out of the lot. We're gonna be going down the road. I'm gonna point out any kind of flaws I can find so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Waiting on some of the traffic to go by. What we got here? It's a blank tape. I don't know. I wonder what's on it. Let's take off. Man, this car feels good already. Speedometer's coming up. Steering's nice and tight. It is pulling to the left though. When I let go of the steering wheel, it starts drifting across the road. Kind of filling her out here. Motor's nice and strong. Suspension's not too bad. Try these brakes. Brakes feel great on this one. Gas gauge is moving around. It's kind of giving me an indication that it is working. Turn signals are popping up on the dash on this one. Let's see if they cut off automatically. That's still working. They do. It does cut off. Good. This car feels great. I want to get some open road here. Little squeaky brake pedal. Got plenty of power to be pulling this boat down the road. We're gonna pull into the park over here. I'm gonna get some external shots of this car from the outside. Drive by the camera, try to let you get a different perspective of the car. All right, all my gear's below in the description. So if you want to make videos like this, you can pick up the telescopic pole, the GoPro 7, all the goodies. Back in the driver's seat, got y'all set up. We're gonna take off here. I've been circling this parking lot for a while. Oil pressure's at 40, engine temp's at 190, so we're good to go. She's staying cool, guys. Man, this car's sweet. I'm gonna angle y'all down just a hair. Let's hit it. Tighten up my mirror. There's a speed bump about halfway up this road. You won't even be able to notice it in this video. This car's got a really smooth suspension. It's right here. Always want to do this. Got a truck going out. I don't know if y'all remembered that one from earlier this week. It's one of our shipping companies. Like I said, we ship all over the nation here, so be sure to check that out on my website. right, guys, I'm pulling back into the lot. I appreciate you riding along with me. Hope y'all do watch some more of these videos. We post them every single day, at least we try to. I got another one of these I need to get out today and go ahead and do a test drive on and walk around. She's sitting right in there with the top down. About that time.